Hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to put one emote at the booyah stage, guys. So let me explain. When you go to booyah, when I get a booyah, that time one emote will be displayed. So you wanted to put an another emote over there so that you can display that emote. So guys, first go to collection as I showed, and for see this emote I have now for booyah. When I get booyah, this emote displays, and this is my second emote, the third emote. So like that, guys. For getting everything, first you have to unequip everything, guys. See, to unequip everything first of all. See like that, unequip every emotes and choose one thing. Like you can't start from this only, but yeah, see, you go to that booyah and you want not this thing, you want this emote on that and not this one. You just click on the booyah one, and well, like I do like that, guys. That's all, guys. Like, see, if I want this emote to put there, it will be there. Let me show you how it will work. Yeah, see, if I click over there, these two emotes are there and the third emote is there, guys. So like that. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Please share and subscribe, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye, guys. Bye.